All right, so now we kind of know what constructor functions are, and we asked the question of what happens when a constructor function constructs like an array or a string or an object. What happens to the prototype of that object that it just made? Okay, so let's look at this diagram. On top here, we have the object base, capital O object dot prototype, right? Now, going down the chain again, we see array base. Now, this is new. Going down the prototype chain from array base, we have capital array. This is the array constructor. Okay, this array constructor's prototype is the array base. That's why when we do capital A array dot prototype, it gives us the array base because the base is the prototype of that. Okay, so when this constructor function creates your array, const my arr equals whatever you have, once it creates this, it will link this, the new array's prototype, to the array base. If this was a string, it will link it to the string base. Okay, so once again, the array constructor creates an array, then link that array's prototype to its prototype, which is array base. Now, a lot of people get confused and think that since the array constructor created your literal array, your literal array's prototype should point back to your array constructor, but it does not. It points to the base, the array base. Okay, let's move on.